Good evening, Mr. Tayo. My name is Jahara Rain. I am Major General
Good evening,
Jahara
ma'am.
Rain. Yes, sir. How you doing today, sir?
Doing great, ma'am. Sir,
Mr. Tayo, can you tell me your rank up now and your next rank up, sir?
my current rank is Sergeant Major. My next rank is Lieutenant.
Yes, sir. Can you tell me your duties for being what is that again? Sergeant?
My duty as a Sergeant Major is in charge of all soft huts and should be making sure they following order and operating within the scope of their rankings duties. You can now RP with the civilian at which.
How about your next rank, sir?
My next rank is Lieutenant, and my duty is as a hard hat now. I be guarding the south gate, sandbags, and able to train new recruits and give them a tour of the base if requested. Make sure all soft hats are following orders and operating within the scope of their ranking duties.
Okay, sir. Can you tell me the 5 base rules, sir?
Five base rules is number 1, no AFK. Number 2, no driving on base without permission from general. Number 3, no unlawful shooting or tasing of soldier, civilian, PD, or anyone. Number 4, respect all soldiers, especially the higher ranks. Number 5, no leaving base without permission from a general. And you must be accompanied with the colonel or general.
Okay, good. Can you tell me about the rules and punishment, sir?
The 10 army rules, ma'am.
Yes, sir, the 10.
Number 1, disrespectful attitude toward colleagues and civilian, punishment 1, reprimand or dismissal of the soldier. Number 2, you need to address senior in rank using sir or ma'am, punishment 1, warning. Number 3, no corruption or forbidden. Any corruption is forbidden. Asking for a bribe, money, goods, or services, or taking a bribe from an army function, member, or policeman, or player in exchange for good, money, and services. Punishment, dismissal of the soldier. Number 4, using firearms, physical force, special equipment without warning. A significant reason is threatening the life or the health of a soldier, surrounding citizens, unauthorized entry in the territory of a military base. Punishment, 1, reprimand or dismissal. Number 5, soldier can take a special car carrier without a permission from the general, deputy, or leader. Punishment, 1, warning. Number 6, no observance of subordination, not following orders and of the general's deputy or leader. Punishment, 1, reprimand or dismissal. Number 7, use vehicles for using company vehicles for personal purposes. Punishment, 1, reprimand or dismissal of the employee. Number 8, violating rules of the server. Punishment, 1, reprimand or dismissal of a employee. Number 9, leaving the military base in uniform or with a weapon. The base can only be left with the permission of the general, deputies, or leader. Punishment, 1, reprimand. Number 10, 2 warnings are equals to 1 reprimand. 3 reprimands means removal from the position of a soldier.
Good job. Can you tell me about the RP13?
RP13 is a non-faction rule playing. The moment you become a soldier, you need to act and behave as one of all time. Failures to do so is RP13.
Good. Can you tell me about the RP14?
RP 14 is sexual harassment, but includes all forms of harassment, discrimination against race, religion, sex, gender, etc.
Do you have some questions, Sir Moby?
No.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
You're doing job.